Let's make burrito bowls! These tofu burrito bowls star chili lime tofu that you can make in the air fryer or in the oven. While the tofu cooks, you whip up a super quick and easy black beans and rice, then put it all together with your favorite burrito bowl toppings. This is such a flavor-packed, easy dinner recipe, and it makes a great meal prep too. If you like this recipe, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tear your tofu into rustic pieces. This is going to give it almost a chicken-like texture when you cook it. Mix it with lime juice, orange juice, a little olive oil, chili powder, garlic powder, and salt. Let that marinate. Then toss it with some cornstarch, which will help it get nice and crispy. Now bake or air fry until it starts to get a little bit browned and crispy. Meanwhile, make your beans and rice. Combine peppers and onion with garlic and a little bit of salt in a frying pan. Saute until the onions start to turn golden, then add black beans, vegetable broth, cumin, and coriander. Mix that well and let it simmer until the liquid has almost all cooked down. Then transfer that to a bowl and toss it with cooked rice. When the tofu and the beans and rice are ready, you're ready to assemble your burrito bowls. Spoon your beans and rice into the bowl, add your tofu, and then pile on your favorite burrito bowl toppings. You can use the same toppings that I am here, or choose your favorites. This recipe is super flexible. Y'all, this burrito bowl is just amazing. It's got such a delicious combination of flavors and textures. I love having leftovers on hand for a quick lunch during the week. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these tofu burrito bowls. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!